So I'm going to be going over the Facebook post writer, and you can find all these in templates, and you click on the templates section here. You can search it here, or you can find it in several sections. I think this one's under content creation. So we're going to get started, and always they seem a little bit complicated, but it's just a flow to be able to create that post and tell you how to do it. And so this only requires 3 inputs, which is your target audience, the objective of the post, and the brand voice, which is what your brand is and how you want it to sound. So all I have right here is just information that's been auto-generated. I don't have a brand to sell right now, so I'm just using something random. And so what it will do is it will first take and give you 10 topic ideas, and then it will feed those topic ideas, and the AI will choose one of them and create an outline for the post, then create the post. Then it's going to feed that into a text generator, and then put that post, turn it into an image prompt, and then the image generator will take that information and create an image. And so then it's going to be all fed into this here, which is going to give you instructions on how you can be able to use this post, use the text and the image together and post on Facebook. And so here are the instructions for posting, and here's your post. I'm going to leave it right under the image so you don't get lost, and I'll add some sticky notes here too. But super simple. It's just running through and creating the image, the text, and instructions on how to post this. So that's everything there. You can use it for your Facebook page. Most likely it'd be best for creating it for your company's profile page, or a certain branch of a company that you just want to be able to get content out there and you don't know exactly how to get started. This is an easy way for you to be able to find some content. And it might not be perfect. You should probably edit it and read through it and just make sure you know what you're posting before, and then you can upload all of these things to Facebook. And we have other social media content creation, Twitter posters or LinkedIn posters, and essentially it can help you do the same thing. So, but that's everything there.